So what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's vlog guys, we are going to do the Centaur Club cooking show. Okay, so this is our kitchen as you can see. So we will cook for today the adobong manok from Philippines. Philippine style adobong manok. So I will tour you to our kitchen. So this is our table here. You can cook. And this is our cooking pan, cooking grill. And this is our fireplace. And also guys, this is our washing place. Okay, as you can see that's so very dirty. Don't look at that, okay? Now we are going to prepare for our cooking adobo. Cooking adobo, CCC. Okay, so now guys, as you can see, I'm having a piggyback ride with Janjan. So he will help me to cook the adobo. So guys, piggyback position is so very hard to control because my neck is being choke me daddy. So now we are going to do the shoulder ride challenge while cooking. So the first step is we are going to wash the chicken and then cut it off. Okay. Okay guys, so the first step, so we're going to pick our knife and then we're going to cut it off first by pieces. So hard to do this guys. So please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Woo. A lot of challenge. Okay. So we're going to cut the wings, as you can see. So I don't know how to cut this. I'm so tall. So cutting the wings here so that the chicken will not fly. So a lot of calories to be born in here guys. Sakit ako eh. Okay. Oh. It's hard to cut this. Why it's hard to do? Kanina pa ako dito.
Hindi na ako eh. Bukog na yung kuhan.
Okay. Hi. And then this is my favorite part guys. It's the chicken breast.
Yan, na. Pasa pa.
Huh?
Paa.
So we are going to remove the paa. And this is the chicken. Chicken feet. Chicken feet gang. Why the scissor is scissor?
Dito ang sundang mo. Butad dito ni mo.
No need for knife. I'm a cannibal. So as you can see guys, I am cutting the chicken. So we're almost done cutting the chicken. And still Janjan is on top of me. Okay, so Janjan flex.
John Rambo.
Jan Rambo. Okay, so this is my favorite part guys, the chicken breast. As a wrap. So now we are done with our one. So we're going to put it in here. And then wash it later. There. Okay. You can see that. And then we have some onion. So we're going to cut this. How to cut this? Like that. And then here. You're going to fry in this onion guys. Okay. Gusto ko ano kani?
Kanang panit ra. Hindi hapil na lang. Kenapa?
Kani? So as you can see, Janjan is very stable at my back. I'm sitting on here guys, but my eyes is almost crying. So guys, it's done being peeled and then now we are going to cut it.
Ha? Ha?
Ano?
Gagmaya.
Na? So you can see guys, it's
Dahil,
so very mint now.
House.
And then we are going to cut our ouch.
Uy, hagbong po.
My back is so very hurting that now. Pila ka out na eh.
Han.
Pa?
Katong dagko.
Dilit ni ma.
Ano?
Patla. Ito na. Ah!
Away dyan.
Tulos ko dyan ah. So we're going to cut it like that. That's
Ano ba ito? Gusto mo ko, pabalo. Oh, yeah, kayo. Uy.
Tapos kung ako.
Bugat kita.
Pwede teman. Pwede yung tagong ay. Ah. Ayo. Ngapit na. So we have the 4 garlics. Huh? Chop na. So we are going to chop it here like that.
Ngala lagi sinululo na. Sa dagko nga na eh.
Ah. Okay, so we are done chopping that, guys. Ah. So Janjan will so Janjan will swap the shoulder right now. So what's the next step?
Okay, uy.
So as you can see guys, he is cutting the lemons. So the lemon juice is being cut in half because we are going to put the lemon to the chicken so that it is a sweet and spicy. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am being shouldered by Janjan and he is cutting the what you call it? Lemoncito.
May ano uy.
Puro.
Ni kay pero mawala ng ang ito ng pan.
So it's almost done guys. This is a very hard challenge. While shoulder riding.
Sa mga umulaw kay ni uy.
Bigyan na. So guys, the lemon has been cut and now I'm shoulder riding Janjan again. So I will squeeze this lemon in here in the bowl so that we are going to separate the seeds, okay? So the seeds. So that's all. And then we are going to pinch it all like that. Maybe Janjan can help. Help Janjan.
Habog.
Okay. Then the seeds will get here. Then we're going to throw it later. Like that. Sorry for the inconvenience. Because it's a very good challenge. So it burns a lot of calories, guys. Maybe 1,000 calories. If you have a shoulder ride, and then it will strengthen your back and your shoulders. Okay, and also the piggyback is so very difficult. So guys, we are done with the lemon now. And then we are going to truly wash the chicken. Okay, so we are going to wash in the dishwashing area. Just balance in there. Ari ka.
Okay. Ako itong koy. Lupitan.
Ay, gusto mo ito, abig ka.
La.
Oh. So we are going to wash it here, guys.
Di ano magana ko. Yan ang okay.
So very uncomfortable.
Hindi din pamaol ne.
Three washes, guys. 3 washes. Uy, naon ka.
Ano? Pero nga, sabi. Tama. Balik na lang. Ah! Oh, yeah. Sige, maparehatan nilang ko na.
Labo man eh. So guys, we are going to put some soy sauce. Soy sauce in here. So,
Gamay aroy.
gamay na. Ito. Ipakita ko dyan. Ay, parang. So we're going to put the soy sauce in here.
Turun juga.
So we're going to put aside that, and then we are going to put this dahon ng laurel. Okay? Dahon ng laurel.
Daghan mo.
Okay, just like that. And then also, this is not sponsored by Magic Sharap. Baka naman. Okay, so we're going to put something. All of them. Okay. And then we are going to put the lemon juice. Lemon juice in here, guys. Yeah, that's great. And then we're going to mix it all. Just like that. Ooh. Sorry for the mess, guys, but it's so very yummy. That's what I love. Okay.
Ulang itong puno.
Oh.
Sarap.
Okay, guys, so as you can see, we are preparing the cooking pan here and also our firewood. And then now, we are going to put some edible oil. In
Gamay
here.
aroy.
Okay, for the,
Good.
what you call this? Onion and garlic. So the first is the garlic. Garlic, no? Garlic is the first. Woo. And then the onions. So we are going to mix it all. Just like to make it brownish. Oh, this is a very good challenge, guys. While cooking, it's extraordinary. So please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so 81% of my viewers, guys, is not subscribed, so please subscribe now. The smell is so very yummy. Okay, guys, so we are going to put the chicken. Whew. So that's all, guys. I managed to put the chicken without throwing it, but my stomach is talsik with the edibles. Okay, so now we are going to sit for a minute. So we are going to add this from the shomai sauce. Okay, so maybe it's the chili sauce to make it hot and spicy. So chili flakes. Okay. Ako prang. Ay, habang gamay ang angle ba? Habang gamay ang angle. Itaas gamay ang angle prang.
Kaya na yun. Ang tabunin. Abon din. Be, kuha na rin kon, be.
Okay, so we are going to Mix it all together like that. Okay.
Adobo, daghang sabaw.
Adobo with sabaw.
Di pa na okay man ako, ipakupusan pa man, di man na maluto dito sa kuan.
And then we're going to cover it
Ano, hindi na. Kanang panda ko. Dito ka na.
with this. Okay, just like that. And we will sit for a minute. And then we are going to come back later. Okay, thank you.
Hey!
Pero palo to. So guys, let's see. After a couple of minutes of shoulder riding Janjan, so we're waiting more maybe 30 minutes. Okay, so we are going to see it. How it's woo! Okay guys, it's being cooked. So we are going to sit for a while for a minute. So maybe another 10 minutes or 15 minutes to get it well done cooked. Okay, so see you later guys. So guys, okay, so I think it's cooked now. So it's time for getting the chickens out of this so that we will eat now because it's maybe 12 p.m. 12 a.m. in the noon time. Okay, so we're going to eat. After we are going to get some pieces of chicken breast.
Ay, sabaw
Okay. Until that. Okay. So we're going to continue cooking the other parts. So we're getting some sauce. This is adobo / calderetas mix. Mix. Okay, so we are going to serve this to our co-members at the family.
Ay, nasuto ko.
Okay guys, so we are going to put to the table and we're going to eat. So I'm going to put Danjan because it's been a while I've been doing some shoulder ride. Okay, so let's go. Ano ba?
There.
Kita mo yun. Whew. So guys, we are going to eat now. Let's invite my family members. So this is our place in here at Oroqueta City. So it's so dark in here, so I need to turn on the light. Alright, so that's all. So we're going to eat now and just sit back and relax. So as you can see guys, we're eating the cooked adobo here. Okay, so with Robert and also Reynald, then my editor video Frank, and my sister Lalab. Okay. So that's it guys. We're so very full right now. So that's all my video for today. So I'm still doing some piggyback because we're done eating. So for now, this is our kitchen. Okay.
Oh, na ang hugas dire ha.
So my sister is doing some dishwashing there. Okay, thanks so much for helping, and also Janjan for being my rider. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Thank you, bro.